Today's my topic NSE. NSE found 1992.
Introduction. The National Stock Exchange of India was promoted by leading financial institutions at the behest of Government of India and was incorporated in November 1992 as a tax-paying company. In April 1993, it was recognized as a stock exchange under the Securities Contract Act 1956. એટલે કે ભારત સરકારના આદેશ દ્વારા જે નાણાકીય સંસ્થાઓ છે તેઓ દ્વારા રાષ્ટ્રીય સ્ટોક એક્સચેન્જને પ્રોત્સાહન આપવામાં આવ્યું અને તે 1992માં નવેમ્બર 1992માં કર ચૂકવતી કંપની તરીકે તેની સ્થાપના કરવામાં આવી અને એપ્રિલ 1993માં સિક્યુરિટીઝ રેગ્યુલેશન એક્ટ 1956 હેઠળ તેને સ્ટોક એક્સચેન્જ તરીકેની માન્યતા આપવામાં આવી. The capital market segment of the NSE commenced the operation in November 1993, while operation in the derivatives segment in June 2000.
Definition and meaning. Stock is share in the ownership of the company. A share is the share in the share capital of the company. It represents a client on the company's asset and image. A stock market is a place where the stock of security of various companies are traded. Stock is a share in the ownership. એટલે stock એ કંપની માલિકી કંપનીનો હિસ્સો છે. A share is the share in the share capital of the company. Share એ share મૂડીનો એક share છે. A stock market is a place where the stock of securities of various companies are traded. એટલે શેર બજાર છે ને એ સિક્યુરિટી દ્વારા વેપાર સ્ટોકનો વેપાર થાય છે. Stock exchange location Mumbai and India. Mumbai, India. Founded 1992. Owner Limited. National Stock Exchange of India. Key people Mr. Ravi Narayan MD. Currency Indian rupees. And number of listing 18 and market cap 4 crore 7 lakh 1923 crore 2009 August. Website www.nseindia.com.
Purpose हेतु establishing a national-wide trading facility for all type securities, ensuring equal access to investors all over the country through an appropriate communication network, providing for a fair, efficient and transparent securities market using electronic trading system, including shorter settlement cycle, meeting up with the international benchmark and standard. એટલે કે providing for like electronic trading system નો ઉપયોગ કરી વ્યાજબી કાર્યક્ષમ અને પારદર્શક સિક્યુરિટી માર્કેટને સમર્થન આપવું, આંતરરાષ્ટ્રીય બેન્ચમાર્ક અને ધોરણો સાથે બેઠક.
Advantages: wider acceptability, व्यापक acceptability, screen based training, non-disclosure of the training members identified, transparent transaction, पारदर्शक व्यवहार, matching of order of matching, turning in dematerialized from dematerialized trending.
Role: reasoning capital for business, mobilizing saving for investment, facilitating company growth, profit sharing, corporate governance and barometer of the economies. એટલે કે વ્યવસાય માટે મૂડી ઊભી કરવી, પછી રોકાણ માટે બચત કઈ રીતે કરવી ને પ્રોફિટ શેરિંગ બેરોમીટર ઓફ ઇકોનોમી એટલે કે અર્થતંત્રનું બેરોમીટર.
Einstein, November 1992 incorporation. April 1993 recognized as a stock exchange. October 1995 become the largest stock exchange in the country. October 1995 માં largest stock exchange બની હતી. April 1996 launch of the S&P CNX Nifty. November 1997 best IT usage award by Computers Society of India. Then November 1997 માં best IT usage દ્વારા એવોર્ડ આપવામાં આવ્યો. May 1998 launch of NSE website website at www.nsc.com.
February 2000 commencement of English internet trending. June 2000 commencement of derivative trending. January 2002 launch of exchange trend funds. June 2017 NSE launched derivative of Nifty Junior and CNX 100. August 2008 launch of currency derivatives. November 2009 launch of mutual fund service system. In February 2010 launch of currency future and additional currency pairs. એટલે કે ફેબ્રુઆરી 2000 commencement of internet trading શરૂઆત થઈ. જાન્યુઆરી 2002 launch of exchange trend funds એટલે exchange fund જાન્યુઆરી 2002 માં exchange fund ની શરૂઆત કરી. August 2008 launch of currency derivative ને November 2009 માં mutual fund service system શરૂ.
NSE certification. NSE also conducts online examination and award certification under its program of the NSE certification financial market. Currently certification and are available in 19 modules covering different sectors of the financial and capital market. Branches of the NSE are located throughout India. એટલે NSE ઓનલાઈન એક્ઝામિનેશન લે છે અને તેના દ્વારા પ્રમાણપત્ર આપવામાં આવે છે. Market. Currently NSE has the following major segment the capital market. Equity, futures and options, retail, debit market, who sell futures, mutual fund stock, lending and borrowing.
Listing process. An issuer to take various steps prior to making an application for listing its securities on the NSE. These steps are essential to ensure the compliance of the certain requirement by the issuer before listing its securities on the NSE. The various steps to be taken include approval of memorandum and articles of association, approval of draft prospectus, submission of application, and listing condition and requirements. Eligibility
criteria for listing.
criteria of listing. IPO by community. The paid up equity capital of the applicant shall not be less than 10 crore and the capitalization of the applicant equity shall not be less than 25 crore.